happiness is the real wealth, not external possessions. So what's happiness? Krishna himself is the personification of happiness. So what is the difference between wealth and poverty? One who has love for Krishna is rich. One who doesn't have love for Krishna, however rich they may be, they are very poor. Vidura was seemed to be a poor man, but he was very rich. Duryodhana seemed to be like a king. He was very poor. He had unlimited riches, unlimited in the worldly sense, but he was very poor because he had no love for Krishna. The Supreme Lord used Kolabecha Sridhara to show the world who was truly wealthy and fortunate. The Lord is conquered by loving devotion alone and by nothing else. Hare Krishna. The Lord is conquered by loving devotion alone and by nothing else.